Can I do a shave tutorial? Of course I can. I'll share how I do it and some of the different products that I use and some of the advantages and disadvantages that have worked for me. First and foremost, shave however you are most comfortable. One of the things I would recommend is get a hot shower first. That helps to loosen the skin and kind of soften up the hairs, and it causes less irritation because you'll be able to cut the hairs better. Now, over the years, I've used a lot of different products, from disposables to safety razors to electric razors to the cutthroat straight razors. I've used the cartridge razors, safety razors, double-edged safety razors, everything you can think of, to include trimmers on my face. What is a safety razor? This is my one blade core safety razor. This is a straight razor. You notice that it's the blade, no guard. Safety razors have a guard right there that helps reduce the amount of the blade that's on your skin for a good close shave. Today, I'm gonna be using my Parker safety razor, double edged, so part of the blade here, part of the blade. This does have hair guides and it is adjustable. This is thick, it's light in color, but it tends to be real itchy through here, and that's what I'm shaving. If you have sensitive skin, one of the things you can do is pre-treat your face with a shave oil. With using the shave gels, foams, and soaps and creams, it creates a layer on the skin that reduces friction so the blade can glide over and cut the hair versus dragging and cutting. If you find that it's dragging and cutting, maybe get that hot shower first, hot towel, use a shave oil. This adjustable double-edged safety razor from Parker Safety Razor uses replacement blades. This package of 100 costs about $12. If you do 3-direction shaves, so with, across, and against the grain, this can give you between 300 and 500 shaves for $12. I own this razor and it's gonna last pretty much a lifetime. When I was 12 and I started experimenting with shaving, my brother said to me, get a hot shower first, then take your finger and run it over the skin and feel the hair in the different directions. When you shave, run your finger on it again. If you still feel stubble, shave that direction. If your skin can tolerate it, run your finger a different direction to see if you still feel stubble. Today, I'm gonna use this Solo Shave Soap from Goodfellows. This is called Loading the Brush. If you like wet shaving, which creates that wet lubricant barrier that allows you to shave a little closer without irritation, you can use a lather bowl, a lather cup. This one is from Parker Safety Razor. You basically put the brush in now that it's been loaded. It's wet. You whip it up into a lather that you prefer. Sometimes I like mine a little bit wet. That way my blade glides through. When it's wet, I tend to have less clogging. One of the advantages to a safety razor with a larger guard is that they clog a lot less. Ooh, look at that. Smells great too. For the closest shave, you go with the hairs, across the hairs, and against the hairs. Always lift the razor up. If you're not sure and you're not as experienced, maybe do small strokes and then wash the razor out. It's good to put a little bit of tension onto the skin to make it tight. I'm gonna go with the hairs. As always, take your large mustache and get it out of the way as to protect it. This area of the neck can be troublesome, so if you tilt your head, put a little bit of pressure here, you're now tightening the skin. With light pressure, now for the chin area. All our faces are different. All of our hair density is a little bit different. You want to have light pressure One of the things that I do for this part of the chin, tilt my head and go slowly. I've been shaving for about 38 years. I've nicked myself a ton of times. I'll probably continue to nick myself. That's okay. They heal up fast. Remember that when you're shaving, lift the blade up. Never go across, and watch how you tilt it. Get your mustache out of the way. Tilt the head, a little bit of pressure to cause tension. Light pressure. How to shave around the Adam's apple. I wouldn't take the razor directly down. Maybe come at it on angles like this. A little tension, tilt your head, light pressure. So I've shaved with the direction of the hair. You don't really hear that stubble anymore, but if I go against, see how it's different? I can feel that stubble going this way, and I can feel the stubble that way. The hair grows in different directions. For the closest shave, you go with the direction of the hair, across the direction of the hair, and then against. If you have super sensitive skin and typically get razor bumps, shave however you're most comfortable. Maybe a cartridge razor with aloe on it, maybe more shave oil, maybe an electric razor would be best for you. Light pressure, tilt your head, pull down here to cause tension on the skin to make it tighter. Always protect your mustache. Shaving this region under your lip can be tricky. I have found if I move my mouth around or open it, it changes the tension on the skin. If you're going to shave against the grain, do it with light pressure, even controlled strokes. Now, little nicks happen. They're usually very tiny. They do sometimes bleed a lot, and they can sting a little bit. That's why I use an Alum Block from Parker Safety Razor. This is an antiseptic block that will help soothe the skin and help heal those nicks. This is an antiseptic block. You get it wet, run it over your face. It may sting a little bit, but it's going to help soothe and heal your face. Today I'm going to use this Goodfellows Solo Aftershave. Notice it has 0 alcohol. 0 alcohol means it's not going to sting the living heck out of my face. In summary, shave however you're most comfortable. If you're just starting to shave and maybe a disposable razor is what's best for you, I recommend you use that. Today I use my Parker Safety Razor double edge adjustable razor. This package of 100 replacement cartridges or blades cost about $12. That's 300 to 500 shaves. I recommend you get a hot shower first. Use a good shave gel, foam, soap, or cream. Any other questions, please leave it in the comments. I'm Bob, and this of course is Elliot Norris, my mustache, wishing you a wonderfully bearded day.